Hi everyone, in this video we will see how agent skills work in GitHub Copilot CLI. So agent skill is like a specialized toolkit or a how-to manual that you hand to an intern. It's not just a single instruction, but it's a dedicated folder containing everything Copilot needs, like scripts, the detailed resources and specific steps to handle a tricky task perfectly every single time. It is an open format maintained by Anthropic. Now you might ask, like, can't we just use custom instructions? Use custom instructions for general rules, like always use TypeScript, etc. But use agent skills for specific tasks that require us step-by-step scripts or external tools. A skill is essentially a folder containing a skill.md file and any helper scripts you want Copilot to use. There are two scopes for this. Similarly, what we saw for custom instructions. So first is your project skills, where you can store project scope skills which are specific to one project and which you want to share across your development team, and you store this inside your .github folders. There you create a new skills directory, and inside that you will create a you will create a new folder for your skill, and along with skill.md file and any supporting scripts that you require, and you will check in this inside your repository. The second is personal scoped or the personal skills, and for this like for your own personal scoped skills which you want to use across your projects, you can store these in at this location, like tilde.github/skills folder, and these can be used for across your projects, but your like other team members in your project cannot use these skills inside this. So basically you will inside this skills folder you can have multiple subfolders, basically one for each skill. Now we will see how the format of this skill.md file looks like. So it's a markdown file with YAML front matter. These are the invisible front matter things that you provide to the markdown file, where you can provide the name of the skill, then description of the skill. This description needs to be very intuitive, because by using this, Copilot can infer when to use or when to auto trigger this skill. And third thing is license, which is an optional thing, which you can where you can have the description of the license that applies to this skill, and then you can have the instructions when to use this skill and what the skill does. Now we will also see some of the skill commands. So first thing is either you can as we saw using the skill description, Copilot can infer when to use this skill, but otherwise you can also use the basically use skill command and explicitly tell Copilot to use a particular skill. This you can do this using the prompt, and in that prompt you can explicitly tell Copilot to use the specific skill by including the skill name in your prompt preceded by /. Then second thing is you can use /skills list command, which lists your currently available skills. You can use skills/reload command to apply a new skill which you have created in the current session, so that no restart of the CLI is required. another thing is using the slash skills and then upward or downward arrow and then spacebar. Using this you can enable or disable a particular skill. Slash skills info, using this you can find more details about the particular skill. And then slash skills remove and skills directory, using that command you can remove the particular skill. Now we will see the demo for this. So first thing, we will add a particular skill. So in our calculator project, basically in this GitHub .github folder, we will create a directory called as skills. And once you create this skills folder, inside that for a particular skill you have to create another subfolder. So here we will create error analyzer as another subdirectory, and inside that we need to create a skill.md file. And let me give the name as error analyzer, description as use this skill to analyze the errors on production. And then here we will mention the steps, like first use the Sentry MCP with my project ID to fetch the recent errors, and then analyze the same and suggest the fix for it. Okay, now in our current Copilot session, as you can see, we don't have any skill as of now. So I will ask to reload the skills, and it found one skill. And now what we can do is give the prompt like analyze recent errors. And it will correctly use the skill, our error analyzer skill, and then it is using the MCP server of the Sentry and making this search events tool call as per our first step. And as once that tool call is done, it found that particular error, and then it also suggested the fix and what the validation needs to be added for that, and we can use this fix to fix this particular error. But as you can see, like using my prompt, it intuitively using the description of this, it basically triggered our error analyzer skill. And in our error analyzer skill we have mentioned whatever steps we have mentioned, it will do that step by step. And for we can also see other skills commands, like skills list. It will give us whatever skills are there in our current session. So for example, it listed our error analyzer skill that we saw. And now for example slash skills info, it will also give and skill name. So error analyzer, it will also give the information for our skill. So that's it for the skills demo. And this is another customization basically which GitHub Copilot provides.